Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Autumn here with me today to open up a package that they brought to me like this. Look at this. There was a time in our country's history, not that long ago, that they would have gotten out the tape and put a piece over there. Not anymore. We just ship it on down the road with a big hole in it. They don't care if it falls out. I guess my address is on it, but doesn't mean I'd get it. That does not make me happy. We'll open that one last. I'm hoping everything's here. I'm supposed to be getting some charms, and I hope they're here. I'm not happy. Supposed to be some glasses in here also. Let's hope they came. Let's see. What did I get? Okay, I got the two little pair of shoes. Love these. They're just little tennis shoes. I just think they're cute as they can be on the Blythe dolls. Hope this is the glasses. Hope this is the charms. And I hope that everything is here. That is the glasses. Woohoo! Let's see how many. How many did I order? I think 3. Yep, aren't they cute? Oh, okay then. Look, you got to see these. These are, if you're shopping online, the 18-inch doll. Well, anything for the head of a Blythe, you want the 18-inch doll. How cute is that? Love it. Okay, let's see if this is my charms, and then I'm gonna be all happy. Okay, I have been sewing and making jewelry, and I got a Blythe seat ready for my, it's not a new bike, but it's one that Darren just tweaked for me to ride that's lighter weight so I can get back out there and ride. Okay, I like them. Aren't they cute? These are going to make cute earrings and charms on the little Halloween dresses. I really like them. I don't know how many I got. I could count them, but why disappoint yourself? Okay, and then there's this, which I'm very happy was in here because last night when this came in, I threw a little hissy fit. Where's my t-shirt's not in there? Darren said, I don't think it's big enough for a t-shirt. So this morning I squished it.
I said t-shirt. It wasn't empty enough for a t-shirt to fit in there and then be missing now.
Okay, well, I knew you had said something. Look at this, royal purple and a little princess dressed Blythe doll. Can't say that I like her eye chips, but everything else I like. She's got hair like my Daisy. And the rest of what is supposed to be my order came, and I wanted you to see how it came. It's got at least they taped it this time, right? I ordered, the other day at the end of a video I was doing, I showed opening 4 pink coats, and I said the others are missing, there's supposed to be more. So I went through it, and sure enough, there should be 4 gray coats. Oh, it's all here. Well, what do you know? 4 gray coats and 2 green. How these got separated, I have no idea, but here they are. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.